Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I'm here with another video. I'm going to do my easy looks today. I have 5 easy looks for you and I'm so excited to share them with you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. My birthday is coming up in a few weeks and I'm going to California, so I am so excited, and I'm definitely going to vlog out there for you guys. So definitely keep watching. Comment, like, subscribe in this video. It is my everyday hairstyles with your hair nice and curled with the wand curl. So I'm so excited to show you those hairstyles. They're super cute and super easy. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so the first style, I just have my hair down like this. I'm gonna take 2 pieces of the front and keep those to the, to the front, and then I'm going to bring my hair back. So I'm doing a half up, half down with the front curls still out. So this is like that. Super cute, it's super girly. You can do this on a date night or if you're going out with your friends. And I like to have the top really flat and just use a scrunchie. There's no rhyme or reason of the parting or anything. I'm just loosely parting it, and I just think when it's like that, it's really simple and easy to do. So that's the look. Alright, look number 2. 2, 2, 2. We're now going to do the half up, half down. It's going to be higher like Ariana Grande wears, and we're taking these pieces and adding it to the ponytail. Alright, so now I'm going to take a smaller portion of my hair just like that. Then I'm going to use my hair tie again. The curls are very everywhere, so bear with me. Okay, so I'll take that. And there you have it. So you can bring the ponytail to the front, and I love this hairstyle. You'll see it a lot on me, and with the hair in the front, I just think it's so cute and definitely an everyday look. That's number 2. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 3. Alright, this is one of my personal favorites. So what I'm going to do for this look, you're going to need a couple of bobby pins, and you can pick either side you want to move your hair over to, but I personally like moving it to the left side. So what you're going to do, you're going to place a loose part in your hair, get all the hair over to this side, as much hair as possible, and then my hair is really has a lot of volume right now. I take it as much maneuvering as possible. So I'm going to take this piece and bring it over like that. Then I'm going to take the bobby pin and make sure the bobby pin is holding the hair over. This is definitely a hairstyle I'll do going out on a date. This is like more sexy, I guess, if you think of it that way. And then I'm going to place some more bobby pins in to secure it. And I think that is just so cute. How do you guys like it? How do you guys like it? And you got that little side action, which is really cute. You can put like colorful bobby pins in if you want to show the bobby pins off. It's really cute like that. And then you just swoop your curls over and make sure like everything is just so. Love this look for date night. Very sexy, very cute. Okay, let's take out these bobby pins. And now I need just a rat tail comb, because what I'm going to do with this is just make a part down the middle. So let's go here, and this one's super easy as well. Again, I'm just looking in the mirror so I can get accurate parting here. So yeah, just take it up. It's really supposed to be, again, that like very bedhead look. It's not supposed to be really neat. It's just supposed to be really, really carefree. So I have my little middle part. I've gathered my hair and put it into this nice curly ponytail. And I think that's cute for work, or if you're going to church or something like that. I do need some earrings on, but I don't have any on. But I think it's super cute. And you just have your hair nice and curly and full in the back. So that's look number 4. Last look, people. So this is another variation of a half up, half down. The only thing is that the ponytail is going to be low. So I really like this for another like girls night, or if you want to do like date night, or if you want to do go into work or whatever, excuse me. So I just take the side pieces like that and try to make sure my hair is straight at the top. But again, it's very bedhead, very like sloppy. It's nothing like too perfect. Okay, so this is the style. Really simple. You can have a part, you can choose not to have a part. And yeah, I love this style for work when I'm running late. And the wand curls in my hair last for like at least 3 or 4 days. So I can try to kind of pull them off with these looks, and it's still super cute. And it took no effort at all. So yeah, and I put my little piece down like that. So here's the last and final look. It's a low pony with the hair down in the back. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and got some useful tips on how to change up your wand curled hair. If you're tired of it looking like just laying there all wild and curly, you can do some updos, you can do some side situations, you can put some bobby pins in and change it up. So I hope this video was informative, and if you love this type of video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely put out more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day. Peace.